Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Taurus. For your daily energies, we'll be picking few cards, guys. For your love reading, it's going to be like a pick card. So whichever pile you choose for yourself, you can choose the pile, guys. I have given the timestamp in the description. You can skip to the timestamp and watch that video. That will come right after this daily reading, Taurus. So don't miss on that reading because it's going to be an elaborate reading. So let's start with the daily reading first. The Fool in reverse, 9 of Swords in reverse, and 7 of Swords in reverse. Taurus, with these cards for your daily energies, I see that because of your the way you deal your situation, some kind of negligence or carelessness, things are going downhill, maybe in your career or something to do with your personal life. You are quite worried because of that, and you feel that you whatever you were expecting, all that is not coming towards you. So some kind of loss, it may be a financial loss that you are seeing today, and you have fear and apprehension in your circumstance. You fear certain outcomes, and maybe for some of you, the way things are going, you are simply ashamed of yourself. You are worried about yourself, and you are expecting someone to give that helping hand to you, and you have doubts about some people you are with, and you are not having that true trustworthy person, maybe someone in your career or personal life. You feel that you cannot trust them, and you feel disappointed because of that. And maybe for some of you, there are people coming to you, guiding you today, suggesting you the proper choices or what you need to do to overcome these worrisome situations, but you are not in a state to listen to them, guys. You are sad and stressed, and you don't want to listen to those people because of the way things are going. You just want their help, you don't want their advice, you just want to get out of this sad state. So that is what I see with these cards, Taurus, for your daily reading. For your love reading, guys, stay tuned for that reading that is coming up right now. Though these cards may denote something negative, guys, what we make of our life is truly in our hands. So we need not worry about what these cards say, and we have to have that positive mindset to overcome any situation. So that is what I see, guys, for you. Whenever I get negative cards for a reading, I believe that you can change that situation if you have that strength and determination. So stay tuned for that love reading, guys, that will come up right now, Taurus. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. I'll be picking 3 cards from each deck. So you can close your eyes, think of the questions you have in your relationship, and you can open and go to that pile, whichever you see first, guys, and make that choice and skip to the timestamp and watch that reading. I'll be giving the timestamp in the description. So this is your first pile, and this is your second pile. So I'll be silent for a few seconds, and we will start the reading right after that. Okay, guys, for those who have chosen the first deck, this is the first deck. We will start with this reading. So 3 cards from this deck. Patience, love,
These cards must be read straight, guys, not in reverse. And one more card here for y'all. Six of Earth. With these cards, the energy is that, guys, for your love situation. This may be your energy or this may be your person's energy. You both love each other and you both feel that oneness and unity with each other because of that deep connection. Your clear communication may be the reason, and you have love for each other. That deep bond is there in this connection. And today you have to be quite patient, maybe in certain circumstances. If you are patient, if you are willing to hold yourself and go for moderations, all that you are dreaming for, all that you are wishing for yourself and in this connection, you will be able to reach it. So this person loves you and they want you in this connection, and the same way you want them. And but there may be certain circumstances trying to push you over the edge towards anger or some kind of quarrels, resentments, but you have to keep your emotions under check. If you do that, you will be really surprised how things will turn out, and you will see unexpected gifts and unexpected turn of events in this connection, guys. Maybe this person is planning to propose to you. They may come with gifts and proposal, or you may be planning this may be that person's energy. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, for your love energy. So things are going in a very positive, beautiful way, but it is in your hands to wait for that good things to manifest. So that is what I see with these cards for those who have chosen this first deck. So let's see what are the cards with the second deck, guys. For those who have chosen this deck, this is the second card reading. Let us see what are the cards. I'll be picking 3 cards again from this deck. This is the first card, Four of Suns, Nine of Moons in reverse, and one more card here, guys. It's Five of Stars. With these cards, guys, the energy for your relationship, for those who have chosen the second deck. Today, maybe you have to be aware of what you communicate to this person. It may be a general energy or in this relationship, guys. So whatever you speak, you have to think clearly before you speak those words, because when you speak, the words spoken cannot be taken back. So sometimes if you remain silent, it will not affect your circumstance, but if some words spoken wrongly, it may affect the way certain things are in this connection, and you may have a few troubles because of that. And I also see that in this relationship, you would have, or they would have neglected you, or you would have neglected them. It may be something of your with your past person, someone who has been neglected by you, or they have neglected you, guys. So someone of that sort, they are coming back to visit you, maybe make amends if that is the circumstance was their mistake. They are coming forward to make amends, say sorry, and move on in life, forget that traumatic relationship they had. And also in this relationship, maybe for some of you, you may feel that this person does not know your worth and they do not respect you, they are humiliating you in some ways, and you may feel anxious and you may feel that things are not going well for you in this relationship, guys. But I also see that you are trying to overcome that, maybe your past hurt, or with this present person, all that negatives that you feel today. You may come to an understanding and you are trying to overcome that, and you may find a common ground between you both to work this relationship, and you are putting in your efforts, and that is what I see. And maybe you may get quite lucky today. Luck may be working and destiny may be helping you today in this connection. That is what I see with these cards, guys, for those who have chosen the second deck. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.